Hi, this is Malay Sambasivam. So I'm continuing with some shifting properties which we are going to discuss today. The first one is first shifting theorem. First shifting theorem. The statement is this. Statement is if L of f of t, Laplace transformation of the function, equal to f of s, capital F of s, that is nothing but interval 0 to infinity f of t into e power minus st dt. If so, then Laplace transformation of e power at f of t is equal to f of s minus a. And second one, Laplace transformation of e power minus at into f of t is equal to f of s plus a. So this is statement, and now we'll prove this proof. So based on the definition of Laplace transformation, first we'll prove the first statement, Laplace transformation of e power at into f of t will be equal to f of s minus a. So let me start with directly Laplace transformation of e power at into f of t. So by the definition of Laplace transformation, this is integral 0 to infinity f of t. F of t in the place of f of t, here it is given that e power at into f of t into e power minus st dt. So this will be equal to integral 0 to infinity f of t into combining these two together, we get e to the power minus of s minus a into t into dt. I am writing in the proper format. That is equal to integral 0 to infinity f of t into that e power minus of s minus a into t is written as e power minus of s dash into t dt, where s dash is nothing but s minus a. So by definition, this is the form Laplace transformation of f of t. So it is nothing but Laplace transformation of f of t with e power minus s dash t. So by definition or by state from statement, I write it as f of s dash. So we can see the statement here now. Statement is that if f of L of f of t, L of f of t is equal to f of s. L of f of t is f of s. So I am writing this as f of s dash. That is nothing but f of s dash is s minus a. So this is the first part, and similarly we can prove the second part also. Second part, that is Laplace transformation of e power minus at f of t is equal to capital F of s plus a. The proof for the second part is as follows. So let me start directly with the Laplace Laplace of e power minus at into f of t. So this is equal to, by definition, interval 0 to infinity e power minus at into f of t into e power minus st dt. That is equal to interval 0 to infinity f of t. Combining these two together, we get e to the power minus s plus a into t dt. Like a previous model, so we will take this as interval 0 to infinity f of t into e power minus s dash into t dt, where s dash equal to here s plus a. It is in the standard form. So again, by definition, this value is written as capital F of s dash, where s dash is nothing but s plus a. So this is the proof. So this is called the first shifting theorem. Now we go for second shifting theorem. Now we go for second shifting theorem. Second shifting theorem. Let me write the statement of this second shifting theorem. Statement is this: if L of f of t is equal to f of s, that is nothing but interval 0 to infinity f of t into e power minus st into dt, then Laplace transformation of f of at is equal to 1 by a into f of s by a. So this is the complete statement. Now we'll prove this. So proof of this is that by the definition, of Laplace transformation, we get a Laplace transformation of f of at is equal to integral 0 to infinity f of at into e power minus st into dt. This is as per the definition. Now we just go for some substitution method. Put m equal to at. So ultimately dm equal to a into dt, just by direct differentiation. From the assumption m equal to at, we get a t equal to m by a. As soon as we go for substitution method, we have to change the limit. So limit has to be changed. So when t equal to 0, substituting here a into 0, automatically m is 0. And similarly, when t equal to infinity, m equal to a into infinity. So here also m equal to infinity. So there is no change in the limit under this substitution. So what we are getting is that the integral 0 to infinity, because the same limit here also, no change in the limits. and f of t becomes f of at becomes f of m by assumption at equal to m into e to the power minus s into t is nothing but m by a into dt is nothing but from this dm by a equal to dt. So we'll be getting 1 by a into dm, that is after substitution, that is equal to 1 by a is constant, just I am taking it out, into integral 0 to infinity f of m into e to the power minus s by a into m dm. Now this function is full of m only, so that is integrating variable is m. So that is nothing but 1 by a into, it is the standard form of definition of Laplace transformation, the form of f of t e power minus st dt. Here the variable is m. So ultimately this is nothing but f of s by a. This is the proof, that is Laplace transformation of f of at is equal to 1 by a into f of s minus a. So this is a second shifting theorem. In first shifting theorem, we have two parts. Let me see that this is a first shifting theorem. L of f of t equal to f of s, then two parts. L of e power at f of t is f of s minus a, and L of e power minus at into f of t equal to s plus a. That is first shifting theorem. And the second shifting theorem is this: L of f of at equal to 1 by a into f of s by a. So thank you for watching. So we'll continue in some other class.